Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell your NOTCOIN in your TONKEEPER wallet. So if you come on your TONKEEPER wallet over here, as you can see, if you come to buy and sell, you come to sell. Now once you're on sell, you click on any exchange you want to use for selling, then open it. For this case, I've opened ChangeLay or ChangeLai. So once you open it, as you can see, if you search for the NOTCOIN over here, promptly you may not find it, so it means you can't sell NOTCOIN on your TONKEEPER. But there's an option. If you have your NOTCOIN on your TONKEEPER, you can click on send. Now once you click on send, you have to paste the address over here. So which address are you going to be pasting? For this case, head over to your Binance application, then click on the wallet section. Now on the wallet section, click on deposit. Now on the deposit, click on NOTCOIN or search for NOT. Then click on the NOTCOIN and copy this address over here. So once you're done copying the address over here, head back to your TONKEEPER wallet, then paste the address over there. And then after pasting the address, you need to paste the comment over here. The comment is more like the memo. Okay. So head back to your Binance and then pick that memo also and then copy it. So the memo is over here. Then after picking the memo, come back to your TONKEEPER, then paste the memo also. So once you're done pasting it, click on continue and then go ahead and withdraw your NOTCOIN. So after withdrawing your NOTCOIN, head back to your Binance application. Now on your Binance application, once you've done withdrawing your NOTCOIN, what you'll do is simple. In order to sell your NOTCOIN, you come to convert option over there. Once you come to the convert option, click on this drop down arrow up there, then choose NOTCOIN. So once you choose NOTCOIN, you'll see over there the first one. Then choose what coin you want to transfer it to or you want to convert it to. So click on this drop down arrow 2, then search for USDT. So for this case, I'll be converting NOTCOIN to USDT. So assuming you sent like 256 NOTCOIN, once you convert them into USDT, you'll be getting 2.11 USDT. So click on preview conversion and then click on convert. As you can see, for my case, I don't have enough, but if you have enough, you can go ahead and convert them. So guys, that's a simple procedure to do this. And if this video was helpful, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.